Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 7-foot wide, 24,000-pound bumper pull dump trailer. This particular model is available in either a 16, 18, or 20-foot length. We're going to start up front and work our way to the back. Up front, we have a forged 4-hole adjustable pintle ring that allows you to adjust the height on your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure that your trailer rides level while going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 10-inch channel tongue. Other people in the industry often use a lighter 8-inch channel on a trailer this size, but we believe that a 10-inch channel provides more strength and stability. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Next, we have dual 12,000-pound drop leg jacks with spring return. All of our larger trailers feature dual jacks on them for easier connecting and disconnecting from your towed vehicle. On the tongue of the trailer, you'll find the heavy-duty locking steel pump box. Inside it contains 2 high-capacity deep-cycle marine-grade batteries. This powers the electric over hydraulic pump, which is controlled by a 15-foot corded remote. Another important standard feature on this trailer is the onboard 8-amp battery tester and charger. It allows you to simply push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you lift the weatherproof cover and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord into the charging port to recharge the battery. Once a full charge is detected, the charger will turn off and not overcharge the battery. Note that we use a larger 8-amp charger as standard equipment on all of our dump trailers. This gives you a faster charging time than the 3.5-amp chargers often used by most other trailers in the industry. Walking around to the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which is 8-inch heavy wall tubing. This makes for a much stronger and stiffer main frame than channel or I-beam often used by other manufacturers. Underneath the trailer, you'll find a dual-cylinder hoist system. Some people ask which is better, scissor lift or dual ram. Each has their own application. We offer both, and in the end, let you, the customer, decide which is better for you. But we found the dual-cylinder system to have a bit more power, so that's why we made it the standard hoist system on our dump trailers. The standard sides of the trailer come 24 inches tall, but you have the option 3-foot, 4-foot, or even higher sides if you choose. The top rail of the sides is made of heavy wall tubing to help preserve integrity even under severe use. Also on the rails, you have stake pockets standard so that you can raise the side height if you desire. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders, heavy enough you can stand on. We also include diamond plate steps on either side of the fenders for an easier way to look inside or access the bed. For running gear, we have triple heavy-duty 8,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 6 wheels standard. If you get in a tight situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub's center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 6 16-inch premium radial 14-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. You also have the option for a mounted spare tire and wheel that is located on the passenger side of the trailer. It is out of the way, yet easily accessible. Around to the back of the trailer, the first thing you'll notice is the standard barn doors, which open and latch back to allow you to easily load equipment with the optional 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps. We also offer aluminum ramps as an upgrade, which are just as strong as steel, yet only half the weight. The inside bed width of this model is about 82 inches wide. Also standard on this model are the 4 D-rings welded solidly onto the floor to allow you to secure any equipment you transport in your trailer. Another important standard feature is that almost all moving points on the trailer have grease zerks for easy lubrication and years of trouble-free use. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 7-foot wide, 24,000-pound bumper pull dump trailer.